I never really thought it would get to this level. I really just thought it would be something that I would do on the side forever. I wake up every day and come to work because I love it. If I got $1 million tomorrow, I would still be out going riding because that's what I love to do. At Busted Knuckle, we pretty much do everything off-road. We fabricate and build off-road machines, and we have a brand that people know and that people can trust. And then obviously partnering with Jake Berkey, he knows what he's doing and people know that. So when someone wants something built and they want it built right, it's a no-brainer to come to us. People see me now and think that, I got it easy and this was an overnight success, but when I first started this, I was going to events, sleeping in the back seat of my truck, couldn't afford a hotel room, and I didn't have anything to fall back on. I was going to put everything I could into it and bust my butt until something happened. Now we have a shop and I love what I do. When it comes to being competitive in racing, the difference between being on the podium and not can be fractions of a second. So we want to use the best products and the best parts so that way when our customers are out there racing or we're out there racing, we don't have any failures. We use all kinds of WD-40 products, everything from greases to penetrant to all kinds of stuff. And so it's been fun figuring out how to use all the different stuff around the shop. Living life hands-on, to me, is all about controlling your own destiny. When you own your own business, you have the option of not getting out of bed each day. But if you don't, you'll fail. And so, to me, living life hands-on is being in charge of your own success. My goals now for the business is I want this to be the best shop for off-road vehicles. If you want the best build that you can get, then you're going to come to our shop. And I want to keep pushing this as far as it can go. I want the whole world to know what rock bouncing is, what Busted Knuckle is, and won't stop until we get there. I'm Matt with Busted Knuckle, and I live life hands-on.